Alright, good day everybody. I'm excited to be here today to just show us how to build our e-commerce using our mobile phone to just do that, and in a very simple step. I'm going to go through the whole system so that we can see how easy it is for you to build your own e-commerce store in just few simple steps. So I want you to subscribe to this channel so that you can get more of this formula. This platform is powered by AI, so it makes you very easy. It makes it very easy for you to build your e-commerce store without no issues. So I want you to stay back and let's get started. So the very first thing you are going to do is you create a store for yourself, whatever you are selling. If you are a fashion maker, if you are selling electronics or digital sales, maybe books or whatever, you can create a store for yourself. How do you do that? You create a store. Click on create a store, and before you click on create a store, I want you to watch this video to the end so that you can gain more on this video. And the website for you to go is www.sho.hi.ng. that is sho.hi.ng. so once you get there, you are just going to click. I'm going to create a fresh account actually, so I'm going to use my email, right? So then my password. So try to remember your password so that you don't forget. So I'm going to write my password now. So I'm done creating the password. So this is how it actually looks like. Then on the agreement, you can just click agree, and you can read the terms and condition. I've read the terms and condition actually, so I know what it is. So once you're done, just create account. So your store is going to be live immediately. So this is ShoFiy 2.5. so it gives you the access to create your own store, own your own brand, and make your sales yourself. So now we are live and direct in the store. So let's scroll down. So your store actually has a QR code for people to scan and visit. Then at the down part is the AI tool that you are going to be needing, so to create your text and whatever. So now these are the settings part, your dashboard, your store management, product management, and all that. So you can go through it and see how to get you can go about it. So also you can make your settings properly. So let me just go on settings and let's see what we have at the settings section. So in the settings section, you have the time and date on how your system is going to work. Then also the logo, you can change it to your logo. Just click on the browse option there. So it's going to bring out a part where it's going to say upload image. So you upload your logo if you have one. Then everything is just okay here. Now the email section part, you need to set it up. So if you don't have a custom domain, you can also use any of these free domain platform. So, and also if you don't have any custom domain, you can also use your Gmail to set up your SMTP. SMTP is the communication section between your system and your customer. So the email communication part is the SMTP. So you can use your Gmail for this part. So you are going to check on the video below so that you can know how to set up your SMTP. So I think that is cool for that. Then also here you can also turn on the notification, email notification, once your SMTP is set up. And these are your payment gateways. So the payment gateways are gateway where you receive your money, either by bank transfer or cash on delivery. So if you have a pay stack, you can set it up, you can switch it on. You see the setup, public key and secret key. So also if you have a Flutterwave, you can do that. Then also down here you can set up your WhatsApp for instant communication between your customer and you, so they can reach you on WhatsApp fastly and you can communicate with them. So if you want to deal with SMS, you can register with Twilio and switch it on. So those are the major settings of this ShoFiy account. Now I'm going to go straight to store management, so that because here is where you can see the number of your store. Depending on the plan that you are buying, you can have more than 2 stores. That is, if you have more than 2 things that you are selling, you can have more than 2 stores here. But here I am going straight to edit the store, so that I can edit the store name. So I can give it so I want to edit my store name, so let me give it market 26. So, and same will be for the store slot. I think this is okay. Then I can give a brief description of my store. Then once it's done, I'll just click on, let me click on update store. So I've updated my store. The name of my store now is market 26. All right, market 26. Let me just come straight to the edit. So the edit part is where you see that pencil. Now I have the store themes, so let me see which theme that fits what I want to do. Store. So all right, these are the themes, so I can just select one out of it. So if you find any of these themes interesting that you can use, you can just select one. So because based on the package that I'm using, I have limited of 5 themes. So the progressive web app is a part where people install your store on their phone, so that they can easily have access to it instead of clicking on the website. So once they install it, they can just click and have access to it. All right, so let me update the store actually. So this is my store is live, market 26. Before we continue, I want us to do a favor. I want you to subscribe to this channel and also put on your notification bell so that you can get more info. I'm sure for you to be here now, you are watching this video, and because you are this far, we are going to do another video on how to upload products, how to set up your products, how to manage your customers, how to manage your orders, how to manage your coupons and other benefits that you can make use of to have a successful online store. I want you to stay close and switch on the notification bell for this channel, because we are posting another video on ShoFiy in the next 24 hours so that you can have a successful store online.